Hi, in today's video I'll do the unboxing and first setup of XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro. So as you can see, here it is, and let's open it up, then we'll set it up so it's all ready to use. As we open the box, the first thing that we'll see is the charger and the watch. So the charger comes in, the charging cable comes included, of course without a charging brick, so you'll need to use your own charging brick for USB type A. And it will be required to turn the watch on. Mine's currently on, but if yours isn't, then you'll need to use it because it doesn't have any buttons, as you'll see on the watch. So as I take it out, it doesn't have any buttons whatsoever. So to turn it on, if it's fully off, you'll need to plug it into charging and that will automatically turn it on. Then we have the straps on the inside of the box. So let's attach them already. So it's all done and we can continue with the next steps. It just clicks on just like that. You can see it's already secured. If you want to take them off in the future, you'll need to press on these little buttons before taking them off. Then there's the last thing is the user manual that is included. I'll just put it all away, and now it's time to set it up. So as I said, if you're setting it up for if it's not on, then you'll need to attach the cable. It only attaches from one side, so if I did it from the other one, it just won't attach. You can see there are these pins. So let's select the language, and then we'll need to get our phone. On the phone, either Android or Samsung. It works on all Android phones, doesn't have to be XIAOMI. And also iPhones, as I said. Get to your Play Store or App Store, and then we'll be able to download the Mi Fitness app, which you can see I already have in my search. I can just click on install in the Play Store. It will take a short moment and then it will be ready to be set up. Now, as it's being installed, we should shortly see it. Yes, let's open it. Now, in order to be able to use it, you'll need to agree to the user agreement, then select your region. And then you will need to sign in. So click on profile and then sign in. I always use the Google sign-in method because it's the easiest one. I just sign in and select the account. And it should be in. Yes, it's in. Now I'll close that. I'll turn on sync. And I need to turn on transfer via Bluetooth. Click on OK, then allow my nearby devices. I'll delete the watch because you can see it's already connected here. So I'll just delete it so we have the experience like as a fresh device. And now once I click on add device, I can already see the device on the list because it's in this connection mode. It's going to take a little moment to get finished. Now I'll click on allow so it can connect, and the watch will ask me whether I want to connect to this phone. It's my phone's name, so yes, I do want to connect. Now let's click on start. You can see my watch is already usable. Let's go through a few last things in the app, which are going to be, you can select whether you want to install system updates automatically when your device is connected to Wi-Fi and not being used, which is quite helpful, especially if you don't really care about updating yourself and still want the freshest system to fix any bugs and get the newest features. So I'll allow it. Then you're asked about the app layout, whether you want icons and text and list. I think the icons and text are the most useful, but feel free to select whichever one you like. Then it will ask me whether I want to customize my notifications, so I can select which apps can send me notifications on the watch or just mirror all phone notifications. And when I click on next, it will tell me that the permissions are required. Once I click on OK, it will get me here where I can select to allow Mi Fitness app to read my notifications. Now I can also select whether I want incoming calls to be shown on the watch. I cannot pick them up, unfortunately, but I can decline them, or I'll just get notified so I can pick them up on my phone. So I will allow it, then I'll click on next, click on allow, and then I'll need to give permissions. Now you can also do weather updates. For that, you'll need to enable location on your watch, your phone's location. So click on next, click on OK, and allow while using the app. Then it'll ask you to change to allow all the time. That doesn't mean it will constantly use it. It'll only use it from time to time when needed, but allowing that permission to all the time means the app doesn't have to be open in order to refresh the location for weather. Now we're there. It shows us a few things. Let's click on done, start, and we're done. I'll skip the tutorial, but feel free to go through it. You can see everything works now. You can now use your watch. And that would be about it for this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.